So welcome back guys to the Skillark, and today we are gonna announce the winners of one and only 5-day workshop presented by Skillark. So I think you all had been learned so many technologies like machine learning, front-end development, Amazon Web Services, Docker container, DevOps, Microsoft Azure in these 5 days, and you must have learned some new concept also. So if you find this workshop beneficial, please subscribe our channel. Now talk about what is Skillark is all about. So Skillark is an edtech platform that is working towards the defining career. We believe in providing good quality content, opportunities for both school and post-school students. And our prime goal is to boost the skills by industry experts. Now, before just announcing the results, let me give the vote of thanks to all those members who are present in this workshop, all those members who are in a panel to conduct this workshop. So first of all, special thanks to BBD Group and the respective colleges for smooth conduction of 5-day workshop. Special thanks to all those instructors for taking out their special time. Apart from this, special thanks to Hitansh, Prashant from BBD and Shubham from BBDU and Hitansh from BBD ITM. To all those technical members, a big thanks from Skillark. Without you, there should not be possible such a smooth conduction of the workshop. Now the wait is over. Who are the winners? So let's jump over to the day one winners. So if we talk about the machine learning rankers, the first rank is being held by Vikas Mishra. Congratulations, Vikas. Second rank is by Alka Gupta. So congratulations, Alka. Third rank is for Harjeet. So congratulations, Harjeet. Now following fourth rank is for Yash. Congratulations, Yash. Fifth is for Astha. Congratulations, Astha. And sixth is for Vanshika. So congratulations all those machine learning winners. Our HR team will contact you for the direct internship opportunities as we have mentioned earlier. Now let's talk about the day 2 rank holders, that web development rank holder. And for the day 2, Alicia has scored the first rank in the web development, aka front-end development. And Suryansh has scored the second rank. So congratulations, Suryansh. Third rank is being held by Manas Raghuvansh. Congratulations. Fourth rank is being held by Sajida. Fourth rank is for web development. Okay, so congratulations, Sajida. And fifth rank is being held by Alvina. Congratulations, Alvina. And for fifth rank, Riya Kumari. So all those winners of web development, congratulations to all of you. And same, our HR team will contact you and further details will be shared from mail only. Now let's jump over the AWS winners. So first rank is held by Rishabh and second rank is being held by Sherlin Shatia. If I am wrong, please pardon me. Third rank is being held by Soham. Fourth rank is being held by Pranav Tiwari. Fifth rank is being held by Charvi Singh. And sixth rank is being held by Ronak Singh. So congratulations all those winners for scoring good marks in AWS workshop. Now let's jump over to the Azure rankers or winners of Azure workshop. So first rank is being held by Harshvardhan. Congratulations, Harsh. Second rank is being held by Prithvi Singh. Congratulations, Prithvi. Third rank is being held by Simran. Congratulations, Simran. Fourth rank is being held by Chaya. So congratulations, Chaya. Fifth rank is being held by Mariam Frizvi. So congratulations, Mariam. And sixth rank is being held by Shivangi Yadav. Congratulations, Shivangi. Now let's jump over to the DevOps rankers or aka Docker workshop. So first rank is being held by Saurabh Mishra. Congratulations, Saurabh. Second rank is being held by Deepika Gupta. Third rank is being held by Pooja Verma. Fourth rank is being held by Utkarsh Pathak. Fifth rank is being held by Aditi. And sixth rank is held by Shruti Shrivastava. Congratulations all those winners of DevOps aka Docker workshop. Now let's jump over the who are the winners. All those winners we have discussed till now, they will be provided a direct internship opportunity in Skillark. Our HR team will directly contact you. After that, you will be taking you will be going through to technical rounds, and after the technical rounds, if you clear that technical round, you will be offered an internship opportunity. Now let's jump over to the overall winners of all 5-day workshop. That will be the perks for all three members will be the goodies presented by Skillark. So the first member who is going to be have that goodie is none other than Ria Kasaudan. So congratulations, Ria. We will be giving you a Skillark t-shirt. Either that will be contacted directly. And second rank is being held by Mohammad Arbab. Congratulations, Mohammad Arbab. And third rank is being held by Rimjim. So congratulations all those three winners, Ria, Mohammad Arbab, and Rimjim, for your special efforts in all those 5 days and marvelous performance in all the 5-day workshop. So that's it for this video. Please make sure like the video and subscribe the channel for further updates. Thank you all.